St. Lucia's tourism industry is anxious and seeking answers with the toxic cocktail of information and misinformation swirling on social media on the new coronavirus. The industry's main actors had a sit-down Wednesday with officials of the Ministry of Health and other relevant departments. One of the objectives, according to Anne Margaret Adams, Product Development Officer of the Ministry of Tourism, is the calming of nerves of the industry by providing timely and credible information.
Well, the hotels are generally concerned in terms of I think the key issues as it relates to information. And we definitely want to ensure that there is a reduction in the level of anxiety or discomfort about the virus. So I think what is key here is that we sensitize the owners and the operators on what to do, what to expect, and to ensure that information comes from the right source, because we're aware that information is coming from all sources and it needs to be verified. So this session today will definitely provide the right information from the right source to ensure that when it's being communicated to the guests, it's from the right information.
On Tuesday, a mischievous bit of information about a possible coronavirus sufferer sent Sandals officials scampering to deny the rumor. This comes against the backdrop of a patient being admitted to Victoria Hospital, displaying some disturbing signs. He had recently arrived in St. Lucia aboard a yacht. The man is said to have travelled on public transport from Soufrière to Castries. The Ministry of Health has not confirmed his as a case of coronavirus infection. The definitive results are expected by Friday, medical sources tell Newsforce. Wednesday's exercise sought to remind tourism stakeholders of the recommended procedure in the event of a suspected case of the new coronavirus.
So we're meeting today basically to provide them with an update on the virus, as well as to establish what the protocols are for communication and for data management.
Tuesday's incident involving a suspected case of the coronavirus infection was a test for St. Lucia's medical services and leaves many questions unanswered. Was the yachtsman flagged at Soufrière Hospital as a suspected patient of the new coronavirus? If he was indeed flagged, why Victoria and not St. Jude, which is closer? Why was he then allowed to travel by public transport to Victoria Hospital and then enter casualty? All the while, if indeed he is infected with the virus, exposing many St. Lucians to it. Why was the Victoria Hospital and the Ministry of Health not informed in advance of the man's arrival? By Friday, St. Lucians should know definitively if the quarantined yachtsman is infected with the new coronavirus and whether a series of blunders was committed in dealing with his case. Stanley Lucian for the HGS News Force.